The Good AI Review 7. Crucial things you need to know, best just released AI software. The Good AI software is making waves in the industry, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this review, we'll dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know before using this latest AI release. Stick around till the end, because you're going to want to hear about some features that could completely change how you interact with AI in your business or daily life. First, let's get this out of the way. You can try this software for completely free with the link in the description below. That's right, no commitment. So if you're curious about what's all the hype, feel free to test it out yourself before you decide whether it's the best fit for you. Now, let's dive in. First off, the user interface on the Good AI is remarkably simple, making it incredibly accessible for newcomers. Whether you're a seasoned pro in digital marketing or completely new to AI, you'll find that the design is intuitive, which is a game changer. It's a huge win for anyone who's used other AI platforms that tend to overwhelm you with endless settings. But with the Good AI, the learning curve is minimal, which means you can get right to work. Secondly, the software is supercharged with an AI engine that's faster and more accurate than many alternatives. It pulls data from various sources in real time, making it particularly useful for those in the marketing, content creation, and e-commerce spaces. This AI doesn't just spit out generic results. It adapts to your needs as you input more information, getting smarter and more efficient the longer you use it. Another aspect worth mentioning is its versatility. The Good AI is designed to work across a variety of industries, not just in one niche. Whether you're trying to generate high-quality content, streamline customer support, or automate social media campaigns, this AI software can handle it all. Its multi-functionality is what sets it apart from other one-trick pony tools. One of the best features? It integrates with your existing tools seamlessly. If you already use software like Google Analytics, Salesforce, or Shopify, you can easily sync the Good AI without needing to jump through hoops or spend hours in technical setup. That's a huge relief for businesses trying to streamline their operations, saving both time and effort. What truly sets the Good AI apart from competitors is its ability to learn from your input and adjust accordingly. The more you use it, the more it understands your preferences and can make suggestions that are specifically tailored to your business or workflow. This kind of personalization is hard to find in most AI platforms. Now, let's talk about security. The Good AI takes privacy seriously. If you're concerned about sharing sensitive data, you can rest easy. The software uses robust encryption methods to protect your information, so you won't have to worry about data breaches or security vulnerabilities. Finally, pricing. While many AI tools charge sky-high fees for premium features, the Good AI offers a range of affordable plans that scale with your needs. You won't be hit with hidden costs or surprise charges, and their free trial gives you a taste of everything before committing. It's a refreshing approach in a market where costs can often spiral out of control. So, is the Good AI the best just released AI software? If you're looking for an all-around tool that's easy to use, powerful, and secure, then the answer is a resounding yes. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself with the link in the description below. And before you go, if you're curious about other AI tools, I've left my top recommendations in the description, all of which you can try for free. After testing thousands of AI platforms, these are the ones I stand behind. Check them out and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.